Turtle penis shaft, to be exact.
Specifically, you know the shaft, the most important part of the turtle.
Yeah, that's what's included in Mama Juana's. And that's supposed to be the aphrodisiac part, is the turtle peen.
I did not know about this. I did not know.
Redclaw loves turtle peen.
I didn't know, and I haven't drank it in literally years.
Bro, I'm not judging you.
Yeah, listen. Okay, whatever.
Despite Red's all about the turtle wiener.
It's not just the tip from him. All right.
Hey, yo.
Hey.
Why? Okay. Why is it that like I've been having Wi-Fi issues for literally like since Monday, where my internet just has randomly been crashing while I've been in the middle of streaming? Why is it that this was the one fucking moment where I've been in the green consistently?
Throw back the rock to the dawn of time and sing this song with me.
Because we have to do the thing. We have
I
to
know. I may or may not be delaying because now you have me like afraid.
Good.
Yeah, get the Kleenex, B. Listen, Redclaw, I'm sorry for the things I did to your gift shop.
What did you do to the?
Oh, that's what that was.
What did you do to the gift shop?
Whoa, boy.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Oh God, it's everywhere.
I'm sorry. I used it as my playground and my litter box.
What's happening?
Why would you do this? Wait, damn it. Not dino fisting, lead crow. Dino fishing. Why would you want to fist a dinosaur? Don't answer that. Don't answer that. Degenerates. Anyway. Ah, crap. We're just making noise. We're just making a lot of noise. Oh, no.
No, the alpha.
Just shut off the horn.
Oh, crap baskets. Oh, crap baskets. Oh, crap baskets. Oh, crap. Ah! Ugh. Wife! It's she! Hi, baby. How you doing? How you doing, beautiful? Come here often. How about you not get out of here? Let's just end the stream and get out of here. What do you say? What do you say, baby? You and me? Yo! She said yes! Alright, bye, everybody! Stream's over! Stream's over, everybody! I am after that tail, you kidding? Let me get up on that, Rexy Dinusi. They know how important I am. I went up to the game and said, like, do you know who I am? I am a cartoon dinosaur on the internet! I demand you upgrade my movie tickets! Oh, snap. Really, Arby? Nice job, Arby. Oh, jeez! Oh, he's dead. It's Wednesday, my dudes. Wait, no, it's not. I lied. It's a Thursday. Okay, it's been 8 minutes. I'm turning off the boobs. Ugh, I feel like a weight's off my chest. Anyway. Peaches, 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 I love you. Ow.
Don't you have those muted?
I was just singing the song because I like the song.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And what does that even mean?
It means that I am the oversexed troll doll thing. I don't know what you're talking about.
You don't look like that. You're such a cute little muffin.
I am a potato that just happens to have a well-trimmed
Redclaw,
beard.
we know what you fucking look like.
Red,
Shut
I
up,
am a
Red, you
potato with
gorgeous
a well-trimmed beard.
piece of ass. piece of ass hottie. I'm gonna put you on my stove. I'm gonna warm you up. I'm gonna take you out. I'm gonna lay you on me. I'm gonna slither all over you. I'm gonna poke you with my horn. You're a hot motherfucker.
Okay, Red, I'm gonna be
Perfect time to say all that right as Rad Does Games comes in and raids.
Raiders!
Welcoming Raiders!
Red, listen, dog, listen, I'm gonna keep it 1,000 with you. Hey, you're hot, dude. I don't want to be that guy, but you're like a really pretty man.
I'm just, okay, wait, before we
Hey,
get into this, let me say hi to the Raiders!
Okay, go ahead and say hi.
Welcome on in, Raiders.
Forest fires, lawsuits, and dino burps. That's good. You know what? That's gonna be the name. That's gonna be the name of the next the next volume of the clip compilations. Yeah, that's gonna be the name of the next clip compilation video. Forest fires, lawsuits, and dino burps. Someone write that down, quick! I will forget. I have the attention span of a rodent.